Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to mark ready for development on Figma. This is a super useful feature when you're collaborating with developers and want to clearly signal which design components are finalized and ready to be built. It helps streamline your workflow and keeps everyone on the same page about what's ready to go into production. Before we dive in, if you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your Figma application and then open the file or project you're working on. This should be the design file that contains the frames or components you want to mark as ready for development. Make sure you've loaded the correct project so you're marking the right elements. Once your file is open, look down at the bottom of your screen. You'll see the frame icon in your toolbar. Click the small arrow down beside the frame icon and from the drop-down menu, select Section. The Section tool is what allows you to group multiple frames together and apply status markers to them, which is exactly what we need for marking something as development ready. Now that you've selected the Section tool, drag across your frame to create a section around it. You're essentially drawing a box that encompasses the design elements you want to group together. This section acts as a container that you can then apply development status to. Make sure you've captured all the frames or components you want to include in this particular section. After you've created the section, look at the top of it. You'll notice a code icon appearing right there. This is the key element for marking your design as ready for development. Go ahead and click on that code icon. By clicking it, you're toggling the development ready status for that entire section. And that's it. You've now successfully marked your design as ready for development in Figma. This visual indicator makes it immediately clear to developers which parts of your design are finalized and ready to be translated into code. It's a simple but powerful way to improve communication between designers and developers on your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.